Okay, I've got the upper control arm disconnected from the steering knuckle and got the ball joint screwed out. These are the old Mopar style ball joints, move number 772. And here's the difference. Here's the difference you can see between the length of the stem and the ball joint. And if you look where the taper stops, you can see the actual extension. The taper is going to be the same, but the extension it's extended at the bottom. Now, this extension is going to raise the upper control arm in relation to the ball joint attachment point, and that's going to move the upper ball joint in toward the negative when we adjust the camber on it.